Each new day is a new opportunity to improve yourself. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a new word, a new vocabulary. As an English language learner, you know that it is critical to developing your English vocabulary. As you work on to become fluent in English, you will constantly be adding new words to your vocabulary. Fortunately, there are many ways to build your vocabulary. No one way works for each student. Find the learning strategy that works best for you. The study of English is ongoing. To help you get started, I have identified a proven method with children who are learning English as a second language. Let's get started. The word we are going to deal today is quotidian. Quotidian. It means of or occurring every day. The pronunciation for this word is quotidian. 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 Quotidian is a fancy way of saying daily or ordinary. Quotidian events are the everyday details of life. When you are talking about the quotidian, you are talking about the little things in life, like going to the store, doing chores, working or going to school, and brushing your teeth are all quotidian events. Look at the synonyms for the word quotidian. Everyday, usual, unremarkable, ordinary. These are the words which have the same meaning of the word quotidian. And here are some antonyms. Antonyms are opposite of the word quotidian. Peculiar, queer, rare, irregular. These are the words which have the opposite meaning of the word quotidian. So, quotidian events means everyday event, usual event, unremarkable event, ordinary event. Hope you have understood the meaning of the word quotidian. Quotidian events are everyday events that are normal and not that exciting. Now, let us use the word in sentence. Taking my dog on a walk is a quotidian event for my parents. It means taking my dog on a walk is my parents' daily activity, daily event. Computers are now just a part of our quotidian lifestyle. It means computers are now just a part of our everyday lifestyle, usual lifestyle. Look at the example. Mobile phone has become a part of our quotidian existence. It means mobile phone has become a part of our daily existence. So, quotidian means daily, everyday activity, usual activity. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.